Hey y'all! Guess what time it is? Time for Crafty Camp. Y'all, it's here. I am so excited. I hope you are too. Get ready for 4 weeks throughout July and August of crafty fun. I have so many fun projects lined up to share with y'all. We'll be doing some Flatmail projects, some Christmas in July, some mixed media, and we'll also just be trying to kill a kit. So we'll see how that goes. Also, update, I don't know if y'all know, we got the merch. We got bags, stickers, all sorts of fun stuff. So I will leave a link to the Crafty Camper, whatever, merch shop thing down below if you guys are interested or just want to see what's there. It's all extra, it's bonus stuff. You don't have to get any of it if you don't want to. It's just there for people that do. And you guys, the counselors have been doing an amazing job. So thank you, counselors. Y'all are truly, for me personally anyway, I don't know how the rest of the campers feel, but for me, it's the counselors and y'all's posts that make camp extra special, at least for me personally, because it's like we're all coming together to make this really fun thing, and I love that. So thank you guys so much for all of your hard work and effort. Campers, make sure y'all show some appreciation to the counselors because they did not have to do any of this. So I think that's amazing that they did. Okay, so show them some love because that'd be nice. We do that here anyway. And if you're not sure what Crafty Camp is all about, I will leave a link down below over to my Patreon where I have a free public post where you can learn all about it. It's a lot of fun. It's $5 a month to be a Crafty Club member, and you will get automatic access to all things Crafty Camp and other stuff. So definitely check it out. Again, the link will be down below. The first video of Crafty Camp 2020 will be up in just a little bit, so that's really exciting. There is a giveaway, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end to find out how to enter. Yeah, and that is it for now. I will see you guys in just a little bit, and we're gonna get crafty this summer, y'all. It's gonna be a good time. So I'll see you then. Bye, friends.